Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. So this story is going to be about the man that was abducted and rescued from the pit, and also the boat that capsized in negril. So it says a man was abducted on Thursday and his car was stolen this morning and rescued from a 55 feet pit in the community of Jones Avenue in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. It is reported that he was held up by gunmen who stole his motor car and took him to the community and threw him into the pit. According to a police source, cops were alerted to the area today, and on the approach, a man who was seen guarding the pit ran and escaped into the community. Acting Senior Superintendent of St. Catherine Fire Department, Dennis Lyons, said that the department received a call about the incident around 7:14 a.m. He said 17 firefighters and other emergency personnel were deployed to the scene and conducted an extraction operation. One firefighter was lowered into the pit and tied the rope around the gentleman, and in a very delicate process, we were able to remove him from the pit, Lyons disclosed. The man was transported to the Spanish Town Hospital where he is under observation, and I will show you guys the inside video of and footage that I have of them actually showing him in a pit. The fact that they were able to rescue him and they didn't get to do whatever they wanted to do with him, shout out to the police for that, and shout out to whoever called in and said something. You are greatly appreciated, because this man could have been dead, and probably would have been dead if somebody didn't call in. So shout out to Jamaican police for acting quickly. What are your thoughts on this? What do you think about the guy that was guarding the away in nearby bushes? I find that with Jamaican police, every time something happened, they always say the guy ran away in nearby bushes, and most of the time can't find the person, and I find that very questionable. But anyways, like, comment, share, and let's get into the next story. So the next story is about the boat capsizing in Negril, and it says several patrons are counting their blessings today after avoiding serious injury aboard a party boat named Fantasy Island that capsized off the coast of Negril, Westmoreland on Saturday, May 1st. A representative from Jamaica Tiki Party Charters, which owns the boat, told our today on Saturday that the vessel is floating again, and while minor maintenance work is ongoing, its service will be available to sightseers and revelers very soon. The representative was tight-lipped on how many persons needed evacuating, as well as the time of the partial submersion. Based on the video incident circulating on social media, however, preliminary estimates suggest that the boat encountered difficulty around mid-afternoon. An explanation by recording artist Thurston Gordon was that overcrowding and boat hopping contributed to the mishap. What a day it was. Our boat, Fantasy Island JA was hosting a party cruise alongside another boat carrying majority of the guests. When we got to Rick's Cafe, our DJ was spinning heavy, speakers blasting, and patrons from the other boat swarmed the vessel faster than we could get them off. Overcapacity. New rules applied by our security team will be tighter, he said. There were no reports of injury. So shout out to them for actually getting to these people and having a rescue plan in place, and no one was hurt or injured or needed to seek medical attention. I'm not sure, but as these stories develop, I will definitely give you guys up-to-date information. The fact that they're allowed to do this in negril shows our government and what they are up to. The fact that this silent corridor that spans from negril all the way to Orcharias, I just honestly feel like this is a money making scheme, and this is just Jamaica's way of plotting with these big top shot hotel and hotel owners for them to make more money off this pandemic while the rest of Jamaica suffer. And honestly, I'm not even going to go into it too deep, but the fact that they amend certain rules for COVID-19, but they can't fix the crime plan or give us a crime plan for Jamaica shows you where their intent are, and I hope people are paying attention. But anyways, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.